What up, y'all? It's your girl, Ty the Natural, and your girl is back with another tutorial. Today, we are doing another Flexi Rod set, but I'm gonna have some puff balls on the top. So I'm thinking 2 puff balls and then some Flexi Rods in the back. So it's gonna be nice, curly, and bouncy. And then we're gonna have 2 bomb little balls here on the top. And I'm thinking about decorating them. So we're gonna see how I feel at the end and see if we're gonna add that in. But in the meantime, let's jump right into this video. All right. All right, guys, so you know I'm starting off on freshly washed hair like I always do. That's the best way to start. You never want to start on dirty hair. Now, occasionally we understand a girl get lazy, all right? But you don't want to make that a habit. You just don't. So as you can see, your girl hair is wet and it feels amazing. It's nice and moisturized. So I'm gonna go ahead and clip this up. But of course, I left the clips in the bathroom. Okay, so I got my clips. And what I'm gonna do is clip up half of the top part, and then I'm gonna flexi rod the back. So I'm gonna do half up and half down is basically what we're doing. But I'm also going to do some flat twists on the side because y'all know my sides are sensitive, and I don't want to put more tension on them. Since I had it in a puff. Got my utensils. Do y'all ever start doing your hair and then you look up and you ain't got nothing? I'm like, gosh, man, what's going on here? Moving on past that, child. So my hair is starting to dry up, so I am working as fast as I can so I do not cause any breakage. However, I'm gonna go ahead and add some leave-in conditioner, which is the As I Am. I'm gonna go ahead and add this into my hair because if I don't, my hair is gonna start to dry out. And we don't want that. We wanna get this moisture in now and lock it in so it's good to go. Pin this real quick to get it out the way. Okay, so now I'm gonna add my Jamaican black castor oil. And you wanna make sure that you're looking at your ingredients when you buy these oils, because if you don't, they will sneak some other oils in there. And one of them happens to be soybean oil. And they got the nerve to have it to be one of the first ingredients too in some of these oils. So child, please pay attention. Do not just go by what's on this label. Make sure you turn it around and look at the actual ingredients. I'm sure you can't see it because it's backwards, but it says right there that it's just castor oil in here. And there was another castor oil that I was gonna get because it was a little cheaper. Child, cheaper ain't always good, because if I wouldn't have looked, I would have been getting soybean oil. And you know, the first product on the ingredient list is what the product consists of the most. Remember, as our good Arisha or Sean would say, the front is for entertainment, the back is for education. So make sure you keep that in mind. Even your foods and everything else, you want to make sure you're looking at that ingredient list or they will catch you slipping. I'm telling you. Okay, so now I'm pinning my section up and I'm getting ready to add the moisture into this section with the As I Am leave-in conditioner. I really love this conditioner because it's so moisturizing and it provides great slip.
So if you have not used this before, I highly recommend that you give it a try and see what it does for your texture. And I'm just working this in really good, making sure that my section is nicely moisturized. And I was getting ready to twist it up and forgot to add Castor's Jamaican black castor seed oil on. Okay guys, so now my hair is completely moisturized to the fullest with the LOC method. And that's how you would typically do your sections. And now I'm just sectioning off the front because I'm getting ready to get this part ready for the flat twist so it can just be out of the way before I move on to the next step. Just so y'all know, your girl did not intend to have perfect parts. So I just got them, you know, as straight as I could. And I kept it moving, y'all, because I didn't want to sit on one part of my head for too long because time is money, y'all, as y'all know. So can't be here too long. Got to keep it rolling. So now I'm just starting the flat twist. But as you know, I did add the gel because I want to make sure that my flat twist look as smooth as possible. And then I had to run my Denman brush through the section as well because my hair was trying to tangle up, and so I just had to make sure that all the moisture was through each strand, and that's why I ran the Denman brush through.
Okay guys, so I have flat twisted both of these sides up. We're gonna do 2 balls up here.
Okay, so now I am adding the gel and then I'm adding my scrunchie. I'm just gonna make a nice little ponytail, not too tight because we don't want to cause any breakage. And then I'm just twisting the ends because I want to make sure that I get the definition of this ponytail. I still haven't decided yet, y'all, what I was actually going to do with it. If I was going to just leave it as a twist, if I was going to take it down, if I was going to make it into a bun. So I'm just contemplating my options here. This one looked a little crooked, as you see. So I'm going to take it down and just redo it. And then after I twist this one up, we're going to flexi rod the back. And I'm going to speed that section up because you all seen me flexi rod before. So if you want me to redo it, I definitely can on another video. And it is flexi rod time, y'all, and I'm using the purple ones this time. I got these boys right from Dollar General. They were probably like $8. However, they were hitting my shoulder, y'all. So I didn't end up using them because I kept hitting my back and it was hard to twirl them. So I'm like, I'm just gonna use my blue and red ones because I don't have a problem twirling these. And I'm just going to speed this section up just for the sake of time. Don't want the video to be too long. And I will be back in just a moment.
So all my hair is flexi rodded up in the back. This is what it looks like. So now I'm gonna sit under the dryer and hope that this is gonna dry in like 45 minutes. So wish me luck. What up, family? So it has been, I believe, 48 hours. I know I said I'm gonna hurry up, jump out of the dryer for about 30 minutes. Who was I kidding? This hair was not dry, child. So I didn't even bother to take the rollers out because my roots wasn't dry. And I was not about to have puffy roots.
Okay guys, so it has been 48 hours. Instead of 45 minutes, it's been 48 hours. So I let my hair stay up longer because my hair did not dry in 45 minutes, which I knew that probably wasn't possible, but I wanted to see if I could. So I ended up leaving these in, and look at the curls. The curls is popping. The spiral is coming through, just as I knew they would. So now I'm just taking some more olive oil and I'm just going over my hair because when I undo the spirals. I don't want to create any extra frizz. And then I'm going to just recoil the spirals in the correct direction so that I make the curl more uniform. And it's going to also help with reducing frizz. And this is what the ponytails look like after taking them down. And let's see the final look, shall we?
This is what your girl's hair is looking like. Look at the curls, super spiral, super pretty, like super bouncy. I really love how this turned out. I love my little ponytails and their little definition from twisting it. Like, the girl loves this hairstyle. Got a little bit of a part, but that's okay. I didn't take my comb yet to like scoot it together. I was trying to do it with my hands here, but I don't want to mess up my curls either. So tell them if they don't like it, don't look. But yeah, so I did the flat twist because I wanted to have less tension on my edges when I pulled them up for the ponytail. So now I don't have any tension on my edges, and this is a tension-free hairstyle. So this is a great hairstyle to try if you're needing a low maintenance hairstyle, because you won't need to do anything but pineapple up the back and then throw your bonnet on, and then you're done. So yeah, this is what your girl is looking like. I'm about to get ready for date night, and I'm gonna see y'all on the next episode. But wait, don't forget, make sure you subscribe and make sure you hit that thumbs up button if you enjoyed this content, so your girl knows. So I know what content to continue to make for y'all. Okay, so that's it for your girl today. I'm gonna catch y'all back on my next video. All right?